Hey everybody, welcome. We are live today at Len Busch Roses, and look at this, we are outside.
On a beautiful fall day.
I know, I am so excited. I almost
Right.
feel like this is like a
Dream?
spring day. Yeah, it is a dream. It is a dream. It's spring. We miss winter.
We just, both of us, what did we text or email each other the other day, and we're
We
like,
can be outside.
we're going outside
Yeah.
during live
Yeah.
because this is a gift.
It
It's a
is.
gift.
This is a gift because it's the first week of November, and we're sitting here, no snow. We had snow.
The birds are chirping right now.
Yes, see, that's why I said spring. To me, it feels like a beautiful spring day. So.
I'll take it.
I'm Georgia here at Len Busch Roses, lead designer, and we are bringing you a few of our favorite things today.
She had to go into song
yeah,
there. Yeah. And I'm Kristen. I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Busch Roses. And yeah, we just decided today would be the day we would just kind of go in the cooler and pick some things that just happen to be some of our favorites.
Truly our favorites. Yeah. It really is, and it just happens. And we've got a fair amount of these, so let's go. Let's talk about these things.
Do you want to start on your, or where would you?
Sure. Well, I'm going to start with my yellow wax.
Oh yeah, you got excited when you saw we had that.
I love the yellow wax. This time of year, it gives a great color. It's beautiful. Look at this. We've got it right now. You want it in your stores. What beautiful color this is. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. And it's really going to help other colors pop and jump. And
nice to have a yellow filler that is a little bit different than like the Solidago.
Right. This is a yellow filler that's something a little bit different. And it's simply just gorgeous right now. It really is. And just who doesn't love an artichoke? I mean, seriously.
Who doesn't love eating them and putting them in flowering?
Yeah, exactly. A little glass of wine. It makes me want a glass of wine right away. But just the color, the eggplant color is just simply beautiful right now. And just gorgeous with everything that we've got happening. And of course, we've got a lot of protea. And I love pink mink. I just really do. One of my favorite proteas. And we've got them. So right now, get them because these are beautiful colors. You've got weddings happening right now. You've got some beautiful things in your store that you really want to get out there. So
one that adds a nice texture.
It's a perfect texture.
Yeah, I love that.
Absolutely. And
okay, I struggle every time with Brunia. Yeah, I think about silver Brunia. So this would just be
totally.
This is just green Brunia.
Different. This is green Brunia.
Yeah, so go ahead, Georgia.
It's got that purple color again.
It does, that little tips of it. And oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, look at that texture. I mean, this is like, you just want to.
Yeah, I know, you do. You really do. It's beautiful.
And it looks like it's by the weight. So 1, 2, 3, about 7 stems.
We were counting earlier in the cooler, and it was about between 7 and 10 stems.
Yeah,
is what you're getting. So apparently it's a weight item, but you're getting 7 to 10 stems.
Love that. And speaking of weight items.
Oh my gosh.
I know. So we got excited because we expected snowberry to be white this week, and this week they're kind of a dark pinky purple.
They're a magenta color.
So I did speak with Pat, one of our buyers, and he said, it comes in different colors, and this week we got it in the dark pinky purple color. So,
and we don't have a ton of it, but right now, come on, folks, this is with some eryngium, some thistle, some blue delphinium, some white roses, off-white roses, Sahara. My gosh, that's a gorgeous piece.
I still love that, the whitey, light pinky one, but it's fun to see like this nice pop of color.
Just beautiful.
So we always like to show an oops because we love our oopses, right?
You do. It's becoming, they know if they have an oops, don't tell George and Kristen because they're going to have it.
That's going to be our favorite thing then for the week. Okay, so already, Georgia.
Cineraria.
Thank you. And it's got a weird spell. Cineria. He said Cineria, Cineria. But it's a eucalyptus family, obviously. But oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
It's huge. It's beautiful. It's got long brakes.
I mean, this is the bunch.
Yeah, that is just amazing. Yeah. We want that. We want that for beautiful vase work.
I wonder I bet you it would dry really well too.
Yeah, I bet it would. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it's very beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful piece. So yes, it was bought by accident. I think we asked for one thing, got another.
And
I'm personally thrilled.
Yep, absolutely. We both are.
So I don't know if we'll get it again, but grab it if you can.
The naked uke, the pods are beautiful. They're big, lots of stems. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And along with that, then the silver bells. We have silver bells already. Look at this. Just so pretty.
Another thing, for those of you who don't know, it's also in the eucalyptus family, the silver bells. But this is the time of year where they look like this.
They're beautiful and the gorgeous pods. You know, this is actually kind of the biggest I've seen them in a couple of years.
I agree. I felt like the bunches were really healthy this week.
And the pods go deep down into the stem, so that it's not just the tips. They're actually really nice.
All the way down.
I really like that.
Love that.
Yeah, lot of pods on those stems.
And for those of you who are sick of blush. Because I love blush. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's still my favorite.
It is beautiful. Yeah.
The peach ranunc is not always super available because it's always so booked out for weddings, and we actually do have some bunches available this week.
Yeah,
seriously, you guys.
Pretty.
How can you not say that is phenomenal?
And what we have right now in the cooler, look at the stems. First of all, those are long stems.
True.
And the heads on that peach ranunculus is really big right now. So
yeah.
this is, you want some peach ranunculus in the stores for your designs this coming week, that's what you want to grab.
Yeah,
so get it in your cart,
beautiful.
call your salesperson, yes.
And this was not part of my plan originally, but when I walked past our Jana spray roses, I had to grab it just to show you.
How can you walk past without talking about them?
I had to. They were
simply
so
can't.
Pretty.
Yeah.
And I mean, loaded with blooms. They have so many. It hardly
gorgeous.
even fits the package, but yeah,
yep.
They're absolutely gorgeous.
Just
so
really beautiful.
Our homegrown, beautiful Jana spray roses.
And then you've got the stock next to you too, Chris, and we got to talk about the stock.
And we don't mention stock because we feel like, oh, it's basic, but
but actually, really, it's not. It is a staple, but.
Yes.
It's
one of my favorites.
Is really one of my favorites too.
Agreed. And the spicy smell and just the way it adds that fluffy texture into an arrangement.
I really do.
Yeah. Comes in several colors. I grabbed the peach just because, again, I like that peach color.
Yeah.
So, and then of course the rice flower.
Oh, rice flower. Gosh, it's got that beautiful blushy pink tone to it right now, and it's simply beautiful. And it's long stems, big bushy heads at the top.
And Georgia, you said mixing those pinks with fall colors is right.
So it is. It's very hot. So take these burgundy, which we'll talk about next here. But look at that with all of these blushes. Bring it down into here, and you've got these silver sagey tones. That is absolutely gorgeous, and that is an on-trend look right now.
Yep, love that.
So go for it.
Love that.
That is what you, and popping some peaches in here, gosh, that's what you should be doing because it is absolutely really a big trend color right now.
And the hypericum berry.
The hypericum berry is just, look at this, it's voluptuous. Those berries are just simply voluptuous, for lack of a better word.
Yep.
They really, really are. And of course, then we've got every time I say Ring of Fire, sunflower, I think of Johnny Cash. Of course, it dates me.
I won't tell you what I think of when I hear that word.
I grew up, really? I think of Johnny Cash and Ring of Fire. I grew up, listening to Johnny Cash, love him. But so it's the Johnny Cash sunflower.
There you go. Yeah, that's okay.
Ring of Fire sunflower, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, it doesn't even look real, to be honest with you.
No, it doesn't. These are just great
they're
blooms right now. I mean, just take a gander, guys. That's just absolutely gorgeous.
Yep, love
that. Really beautiful.
Love that.
Yeah.
Did we show everything that we grabbed as our favorite things?
A few of our favorite things here. I think we talked about it a little bit. So.
And reminding everybody too, I know the snow kind of got us all in the mindset of, we'll just go straight to Christmas.
No.
Thank God we got this week and this time where it's warm, and we're reminded that it really is still autumn season.
Fall.
Yep.
Guys, so still have autumnal looks in your stores at this point. Don't switch yet. Don't lose us yet. Thanksgiving is still coming.
Yes.
And speaking of Thanksgiving, I've got a little present for you, Kristen.
Yay, love presents.
I do. I have a little present for you.
Ooh.
One for you, one for me. I made you some flowers.
I love it. Thank you.
I am giving
I thought that I was going to try
flowers.
to talk you into letting me have the one you made, but now we both get one.
We both have one, exactly.
Love
yes.
It. This is actually right up my alley with the style.
Yes, I know it is. I did it for you.
Yes, thank you.
And I did one for myself to take home. So you and I will have similar flowers sitting on our table.
Love it.
That you can think of me and I will think of you.
Thank you.
And that's what we want to talk about next. We actually want to introduce you guys to a campaign that's actually kind of came out of just the passion that we have here at Len Busch Roses for flowers and the importance of flowers in our everyday life. And we just finished Petal It Forward 2020, which was an amazing event. And those of you who know me know that my heart just beats flowers. It just really, really does. Next to people, flowers were God's next best creation in my book, at least, or nature's best creation. And this got a little wet, so forgive us.
That's all right, mine's not.
But this right now, COVID has lent different things to us. This has been a difficult year in some regards, and there have been some beautiful things that have come out of the COVID pandemic that we are all in, and this is one of them. I have been just so inspired to see the different passions that have brought people to doing different things for other people, and the tremendous weight behind thinking of others and putting others ahead of yourself. I think that is just beautiful, and that is what Thanksgiving is about. And what we're going to do this year, we want to help bring something to you, to the consumer, to our customers, the passion of Thanksgiving. And let's think about how Thanksgiving could be a little different this year, because it will be for our homes. We are not all going to be having huge family gatherings this year. It is not possible. Some of our loved ones will not be able to be with us. we do not want them to be forgotten. Here at Len Busch Roses, we, and as a floral community, we want to start creating a heart of giving to those people around us. And it's going to start with our stores and with our customers. And that is, we want to help bring this campaign of Thanksgiving, capital letters on the giving. The boldness on the giving part. Can you imagine what flowers could do to your loved ones, to those that are in senior centers, for those who are in their homes who cannot come out and be with us and be with you for Thanksgiving, how it would mean to them to actually have something sitting on their table showing them that you thought of them. What is the best way to do this? In my book, it's giving flowers. And that's as our customers and as the consumers, we want you to start thinking this. We want you to feel the vision and feel the drive and the passion that flowers can actually give. Flowers evoke emotions in us that is absolutely amazing. It is proven, it is researched that it releases dopamine into the brain, which creates the happiness, endorphins. It's just the joy that comes from giving flowers. Flowers have a message and they are powerful. And we want you to start thinking, Thanksgiving, bold on the giving. What can I do as a shop owner, as a consumer? What can I do? Oh my gosh, I am going to send grandma flowers. I am going to send flowers to the senior center down the road. Think about what you can do and how you can actually, as a customer, as our shops and our stores, how can you promote this to your consumer, to your customer? How can you get this word out there? Start thinking about that. Because Thanksgiving is a time to be thankful, number one, but it is also a time to give and to share what we have. And we do not want anyone to be forgotten this year.
Agreed.
We want to think about our parents and our loved ones and those down the road from us that are maybe a neighbor next door who can't get out, who can't have family in. Let's have the unity of flowers. Let's have that commonality, their table, your table. One for you, one for me. You're going to purchase some flowers for your Thanksgiving table this year. Purchase a second one and have it sent. Have it delivered, have it dropped
or
off.
even go take it one step or one notch up from that even, and just be like, you know what, I maybe don't even care to get flowers for myself personally, although I can't imagine feeling that way, but it doesn't have to be one. Several. You know, I mean, even if they're small little pieces, just to show someone a plant, something. It doesn't have to be
a plant, a blooming plant, a basket, and a range. It doesn't have to be a
kind of almost like the May Day, when everybody had so much fun with the May Day this year, and people were going door to door and dropping off little bit of flowers to all their neighbors.
Absolutely.
You know, I mean, you guys are the creative ones. You know, sky's the limit.
That's what this campaign is about. We're starting it right here. We're starting it at Len Busch Roses. It is our heart, but it's a campaign of Thanksgiving. Think of how we can use flowers, how you can tell people to use flowers and get this message out to others. Let's not forget anybody this year. Let's not. Let's remember them. Let's remember that flowers have power, and that
flowers bring joy.
They bring joy, and let's make sure nobody this year at Thanksgiving or anywhere in the holidays, let's not just end with Thanksgiving. Let's continue it right through the whole holiday season and getting flowers to those that we care about. And my biggest passion is that people would actually, even like you said, I don't care about them for myself, but I'm going to call my local flower shop and I'm going to order 2 and have them sent to the senior center down the set for somebody who maybe won't have any visitors or has no family. That's the biggest thing, is to just totally take yourself out of it and think of others first.
Agreed.
So a little bit more information is going to go out about this, right, Kristen?
Yep, we'll be in touch. We've got some things for you shops that we can help you
create
with this,
some ideas.
Do this, from your own stores, and the consumers that are watching. You know, go to your local shop and get some things ordered.
Please start thinking about how we can continue that momentum of Pedal It Forward that we just came off of, and that power of flowers and giving to others. So during this Thanksgiving season. So, and like Kristen said, more information is coming. Social media, right? They should watch for it. Our little social media.
We'll be posting some things tomorrow.
Okay. Sounds great, everybody. Thank you.
Enjoy
for
the beautiful
watching.
weather. Have a great week.
Yes.